In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to embed a Wistia video into EverWebinar. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with EverWebinar, we've got you covered with a quick, easy-to-follow process that will take you through the steps. Stick around until the end because I'll also show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial to EverWebinar. You won't want to miss that. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Wistia account and get the embed code for the video you want to use. Open the Wistia video you want, and under the Share option, you'll see an embed code. Copy that code as you'll need it in just a moment. Next, let's move on to EverWebinar. Once you're logged in, go to the Webinar Settings section and find the registration page. This is where you'll be able to add any videos you want to showcase. The third step is really simple. In the registration page editor, look for the video widget or a similar option where you can paste the embed code. Click on that, and you'll see a field where you can paste the Wistia embed code you copied earlier. Just paste it in, and you'll immediately see your Wistia video appear right on the page. Next, it's important to check the settings for your Wistia video. You want to make sure that the video will autoplay if that's something you want. You can also adjust the size and position of the video to make sure it fits the style of your webinar page. Finally, don't forget to save your settings. Once everything looks good and you're happy with how the Wistia video appears, click Save and preview your webinar registration page to make sure it looks perfect. Now, here's a bonus tip that you'll definitely want to stick around for. If you're looking to get the most out of EverWebinar, you can access an exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of this video, so be sure to check it out. So, to recap, embedding your Wistia video into EverWebinar is quick and easy, but the real benefit comes when you take advantage of our exclusive offer to try EverWebinar for free. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your webinars, EverWebinar's powerful features will make it easier than ever to create high-converting sessions. Check the first link below to grab your exclusive extended free trial, and you'll be all set to use this software to elevate your webinars to the next level.